Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you need to go into the settings icon. Hold on a second, let me go back here. Once you're in the settings icon, scroll down to the notifications option. Here we have the Do Not Disturb mode. You just need to tap here and you can turn the Do Not Disturb mode on or off whenever you want. Down here, we have this option, which is the mode where you can set the time for Do Not Disturb to turn on and the time for it to turn off. It already comes with the mode pre-configured. Here, you can activate the days of the week. Check the days when it will activate at the time you select here. You just tap here and select the start time for the Do Not Disturb mode. I'm going to set it so that Do Not Disturb starts at 10 at night and ends at 7 in the morning, which is when I get up. So I'll click to confirm, we click save, and when you want to activate this setting, just turn it on. You don't have to come here and activate it every day, because every day from 10 at night until 7 in the morning, the Do Not Disturb mode will be on. If you want to do this manually, just turn it on here, and when you want to turn it off, you turn it off here, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.